In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a bug fix note and add it to your pull request that you've created for the LiveCode GitHub repository. The LiveCode policy is that whenever you submit a pull request that fixes a bug in the LiveCode Quality Center, you need to add a bug fix note that describes what's being fixed. And I believe those notes get pulled in to the release notes when LiveCode creates a new release of the the LiveCode engine. So it's really easy to do. And what you're doing, I'm going to show you how to do that right here in the GitHub interface. So this is the pull request page that I created. You can see I fixed bug 9030, and it was a documentation bug. And so what I'm going to do is from that PR page, you'll see down here in the text it says add more commits by pushing to the patch 3 branch on trevor.devor/livecode. So I'm going to click on patch 3 and open a link in another page. So here you see that this is my GitHub repository. You have trevor.devor/livecode. It's on the branch patch 3, so that's the right branch. So what I can do is I can click on docs, and then I can click on notes. And then from here, I'm going to copy and paste one of these titles. Note that it needs to be all lowercase. Some of these bug fix notes have capitals. Don't follow that. Follow the ones that have all lowercase. And then what you do is you just click create new file. So if you're going to give it a name, and so I'll name this one 9030. And then you need to just give a title. So you'll use the hashtag that tells mark down that it's a header. And then I will just copy the same title I used in my PR request. And then I will click create new file. So that file will get added to that folder in my GitHub repo. If I go back to the pull request and refresh, you'll now see that 2 files have changed. So here the first file is the documentation that I edited. And then down here you can see that it has the bug fix note. And so at this point the PR can be accepted by LiveCode. They may ask for some changes, but you have all the necessary files in place for it to be accepted by LiveCode.